What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today, Monday. I expect some big things this week from the crypto space. I expect some big things from Bitcoin. But let's see what the chart tells us, okay? The chart says that maybe we're up against the area of resistance that we haven't been able to get over for a little while. So we're going to take a look at that. We're going to take a look at this channel and the channel that Bitcoin currently finds itself in. And I'm going to give you three crypto plays, three low cap gems, one in gaming, one in real world assets, and one in AI. Those are Sin, Prop-Base, and Orai. We're going to take a look at those three projects as well. And so without further ado, let's do this. Quick little bonus for you as I was checking out here. Disney to purchase $1.5 billion stake in Epic Games aims to create joint metaverse. Disney, huge company, getting into the metaverse. Very interesting. Very interesting. Anyways, so let's get to this really quick. BTC dominance. Let's since we're here, going over this little area of resistance. Oh well, this descending line for the first time, right? We see a little body for the first time since December 3rd. So maybe BTC dominance is going to continue to move upward, and that's actually good for the markets. I expect some good things for the markets now, for Bitcoin and the markets. Now we are up against this ascending line right here, aren't we? Okay, let's put it right here so that you can get a better idea of what I'm talking about. Right here is around 50,000. Okay, it is 50,000. This line right here that you see, sideways right here, that's 50,000. I expect us to be playing around here for a little while, I think, right? Be playing around here, seeing if we can break through or at least touch it or come very, very close before the decision is made by Bitcoin and the market to see which way it goes. Do we break on through, or do we kind of hang out here and kind of go lower down for a little bit, maybe bounce here and come back up? Time will tell, but I wanted to bring your attention more than anything to this ascending, descending. I mean, to this channel right here, okay, as you can see, right? Between touches, it's around 200 and something days, more or less. So we'll see since the last touch, and we'll go right to here, 231 days. All right, so that would take us, if we just do that from here, 231 days, right around here. If we repeated that same type of pattern around 231 days, that would be to June 2024, June 3rd, 2024. And the price at that time, a lower part of this would be around 41,300. Okay. Now, history doesn't repeat, but it often rhymes. Okay. So maybe we do hang out a little bit. Maybe it goes out a little longer, you know. Maybe it goes out into September or something before we touch it again, or maybe we never really touch it again and we keep going up. All right, we get out of this channel. I mean, at some point, it's going to happen. Whether we break up above it or down, at some point, we're not going to continue on this channel forever. Right? But it is something to keep in mind and something to have in the back of your mind. Maybe we do spend some more time up around here, though, up around this areas in the 50s, especially after the Bitcoin halving, right? After that, and maybe we do touch it maybe sometime in September, and then we just kind of go harder up that way, or who knows, or maybe we just break it and go sideways. Maybe in September we break it and just kind of go sideways, not really ever going below 50. On the other side of this is the Bitcoin halving, more or less. The Bitcoin halving somewhere between the 15th and 18th of April. It depends. It's a moving target, so that's why it can't be exact like that. But this channel is interesting, and we are up against the upper part of it, but we do spend some time. This is looking at Bitcoin on the weekly, so we do spend quite a few weeks once we're near it. Right? We do spend quite a few weeks kind of hugging it before decisions made, and we've been in it since August, basically, right? August 2022. So I mean, it's been a while. August 2022, we've been in this channel, guys. All right, so I mean, it's been a while since we've been in it, so it's something. It is noteworthy. All right, so let's see how much time we spend here playing here, and it'll be interesting to see if and when we do touch the bottom part of it, as we have since August 2022. November, December, we touched it, and again in September, around September, or August, September, into October of 2023 that we did touch it. Okay, so interesting. interesting, something to keep in mind, and that's what I wanted to kind of bring to your attention there. All right. All right, so Bitcoin looks pretty good. And I did also want to say, you know, after this Bitcoin halving, we are going to see the mining, the coins that they mine go from 900 to 450, or 900 to 450, from 900 to 450. So up until now, every day they're mining 900 coins that go into circulation. But then after this line, it's going to be 450. So I think there's definitely going to be a supply shock coming. I was also reading that a lot of people have been taking their tokens off of exchanges to put it into cold wallets. So that's good. That means that people are expecting price appreciation, right? Because if they weren't, they would probably be selling. So a lot of positive things. ETF inflows continue to improve. Let's take a look at that one really quick. For that, I'll go here. This is the last piece of data that I had that I shared with my Telegram community here. This is to the 9th, okay, February 9th. And total ETFs purchased. This is all ETF purchased. 62 net, like net minus the grayscale sales. Okay, and they obviously continue to sell, but they continue to sell less and less. And finally, we're seeing an uptick lately of the buys from the ETFs. Okay, so the total number of ETFs, excluding the grayscale sales, 62,536. And remember, now after the Bitcoin halving, only 400 are going to be put in circulation every day. Okay, so supply shock is coming. And what does the supply shock mean? In short, price is going to go up. All right, and price could go up very strongly. So just a lot of positive things to keep in mind. And to me, as far as I see it, accumulation is still to be had, and positioning is still to be done before this Bitcoin halving time. Okay. All right, now let's take a look at some altcoins. All right. First one is Synverse. For that, we're going to take a look at this right here. Synverse keeps doing a lot of good positive things. Okay, here Synverse. I wanted to bring the attention of Synverse 2.0 on the horizon for public release. It's a game changer for Web3 and Metaverse, and you just saw that Disney is getting into the Metaverse as well. It's positive, all right. Character creation tools. Okay, they can start doing that. That's pretty cool, right? They're improving. New custom node server, no more lag. Capiche? It's Italian. Experience seamless gameplay. Italian mobsters, I guess, say capiche. I guess they're not the only ones, but don't hate me, Italian community. I like Italian community. Okay, the battle arena for our turf. So now you can have groups of people battling it out in there. All right, that's pretty cool. Synverse 2.0. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and a new partnership. Okay, a new partnership. They're teasing it. Synverse will be joining forces with a leading player in the Web3 space, allowing for Epic Game Store integration. Next week, you'll have a chance to dive into the Metaverse Mafia firsthand. So they're teasing a partnership. Pretty cool. What could that partnership be with the Epic Game Store integration? And we just saw that Disney is what did they do with Epic? They're buying part of Epic, or they're getting into the Metaverse through Epic. So I mean, that tie-in with Synverse and Epic. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Pretty interesting. And what has the price done for Synverse? Let's take a look. Speaking of channels, a descending channel, Synverse has broken out of this way. Okay. Now, this is to me the final part of what I see as inverse head and shoulders. All right, and it seems like it's building the shoulder. Got rejected a couple times on the penny mark, but look at those nice green wicks. And for the first time since essentially November of 2023, the end of November, November 22nd, 2023, we've gone over this descending line. The top part of this channel, we broke it. Nice big green candle to the upside, guys. That's really, really positive. It's still under a penny, so I mean, at the time of making this video, I mean, you could have bought it at 0.007, and I've been mentioning it to you. I've been mentioning it to you all the way down. So I mean, DCAing is obviously a thing to do. Even now, I wouldn't just go all in. I would DCA, be smart about it, because you never know. This thing could go back, retest, spend some more time down here, and then eventually start doing upward movement. But this is really good to see these last couple of days, big wicks. So I mean, there is some selling going on there, so keep that in mind. But still, I think eventually the bodies will follow these wicks up, and we want to get up to right here. This is the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. And once that happens, guys, I see 11 cents on the horizon. Actually, let's see, what do we see here? I need to really kind of update that. Let's see where that. I'm sorry. Yeah. 11 cents from the neckline, more or less 11 cents. All right. I do see 11 cents at least on the horizon based on this head and shoulders this inverse head and shoulders pattern. All right. This is the neckline right here. From here, boom, up to 11 cents at least. I think inverse can get to $1 at the height of a bull run. But I mean, this year, I think, we're gonna, at some point, we're gonna be pumping up to like 11 cents or maybe even more. Who knows, right? So that's inverse. Really bullish. Great information. Team obviously keeps on working, and that's exactly what we want. We want the team to be working to improve the gameplay, to improve the game, and they have a working product already. And there are projects out there, that get a lot more hype than Synverse, get a lot more love than Synverse, and they don't even have a working product yet. Just promises. So keep that in mind. All right, so that's the gaming play that I want to bring your attention. Now, for real world asset play that I want to bring to your attention, prop base. Okay. Oh, let's really quick actually take a look at the numbers on Synverse so you know what that is. Market cap 5.8 million. Okay. Volume 1.6 million. That's some good volume. Good tokenomics. Okay. More than half it's already out. Fully diluted 9.6 million. Okay. BNB Smart Chain. You can buy it on KuCoin, PancakeSwap, MEXC. All right. So that's Synverse. And now the next one is prop base. Market cap 7.4 million, 250,000 volume. Okay. Tokenomics could be better, but I have made mention in a previous video about prop base when I brought it to your attention of what the circulating supply will be at the time of more or less the end of the 2025, which is more or less all we need to know. Right. And it was good enough, even with the fully diluted, right? Which we won't, all of it won't be in circulation if I remember correctly. Even the fully diluted at the time at the end of 2025, when I think the height of the bull run is going to be, fully diluted is going to be around 28 million right now. So I mean, still way under 50 million. This thing could definitely go. It's a newer project. It's a real world asset play. Okay, so this is my real world asset play that I'm bringing to your attention. And look at the sideways consolidation. After a nice long sideways consolidation, I expect something like this. Another bunch of green candles on the way up. Okay, so I mean, this is one with 100x potential. Synverse also has 100x potential, and prop base looks really good. Interesting part that I wanted to bring your attention regarding prop base. I'm so glad Synverse is actually doing all the stuff that they're doing. Let's see, prop base right here, Aptos. We're thrilled to announce that we've secured a significant grant from Aptos Network. Aptos is a blockchain, and they're giving prop base some money. So I mean, they think that's some good stuff. All right, so they're getting that, and I wanted to bring that to your attention. That's very bullish, and so far the price hasn't responded, but that's fine. We can do this eventually. I mean, it's a brand new project, guys. Eventually, what is this? November 10th, 2023. Okay, so eventually this thing is going to go up. Okay, and that prop base and other entities, well, prop base in this case is giving them. I'm sorry, not prop base. Aptos is giving prop base their flowers and actually giving them money, putting their money where their mouth is. Not just flowers, but money. I expect this to go. If other people are seeing positive things from this project, I expect it to go. It's a real world asset play. They're focused in Southeast Asia. Good team. What did I say about it here? Good team, strong community as well. And I told them to get familiar. 100x play. So prop base, that's prop base. And the next one is Orai. Okay, This one, I don't know if it can do 100x because it's already over 50 million market cap, right? And the fully diluted is at 130 million. But you never know. It isn't in a great narrative. This one is the AI play that I wanted to bring to your attention. Okay, you could buy it on KuCoin, PancakeSwap. That's what I would probably pick it up on KuCoin or PancakeSwap. And I keep it in my MetaMask. They're a competitor to basically Chainlink, but they add the AI twist to it. Okay, so they're an Oracle, but they have AI functionality to that Oracle. Pretty good numbers, 64% circulating supply. This thing could anywhere between like 50 to 80x. Okay, 50 to 80x, and it could even do more. I mean, you never know. There could be one where it's high enough, where even though this is high and over 50 million market cap, where it still could do 100x. But I would say anywhere from 50 to 80x is what I would be expecting. And let's take a look at the chart from Orai. Okay, let's see, where is it? All right, and we lost this ascending channel that we've been in since, let's say, since the first touch, October 2023. Okay, boom, we touched and we lost it, but that could be a buying opportunity. I'd be nibbling right here. You know, eventually this thing is going to start moving towards the upside. At $6.63. Where is prop base price? We'll get back to that. All right. So I mean, I would be nibbling. This is a great project right here. After you do your homework and maybe we do see some more sideways consolidation, staying underneath this area of $7.22, which has been an area of resistance since really. I mean, we could say since October, right? I'm sorry, since December of 2023, but most recently an area of resistance since the end of January, 29th of January. We haven't been able to get through it, and we've lost this ascending channel for now. Maybe we hug it for a little bit, or maybe we drop a little bit more, you know, maybe to 590. I don't know that we drop too much below that, you know, so maybe we're consolidating a little bit more before eventually the next leg up. And I have seen Orai chain talked about more and more recently as well. So something to keep in mind if you're looking to accumulate, find good projects. And remember, we only have until, how I see it, we only have until the Bitcoin halving to really position ourselves well. Because after that, although you can still position yourself, becomes riskier. Okay, I would advise my loved ones to be like, listen, if you're not positioned before the Bitcoin halving, forget about it. Just wait until the next cycle, right? So there it is, guys. Gaming play, Synverse, real world asset play, prop base, artificial intelligence play, or AI. Synverse 100x potential, prop base 100x potential, Orai 50 to 80x potential, and Bitcoin is in that channel, but I expect it to be on the top of that channel for a little while. And let's see, maybe we even break through on top the other side of that channel, because look at all the stuff that's been going on, guys. A lot of buying, supply shock is coming at some point, and I expect things to get really, really juicy for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. And there it is. Boom. Guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. We will see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday. Have a good one. Peace.